Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy!
Alright, remember back in Grammar 1.5.1, we learned how to ask for how many with the question word 几 plus a measure word. Like, how many teachers do you have? 你有几个老师? How many people are there in your family? 你家有几口人? Now let's take a closer look at how to answer those questions. We already know how to count from 1 to 99, and we have learned quite a few nouns. So in this grammar video, let's put these together and learn how to express quantities like 3 teachers, 5 students. Do you think it's going to be useful for you to know how to express quantities? Yeah, of course, because you want to be able to tell how many things you have or how many you want, etc., right? So let's turn to page 58 of our textbook and take a look at grammar point number 3. To put it simply, in Chinese, when we express quantities, we add a measure word between the number and the noun. For example, instead of saying 3 teachers, we would say 3 units of teachers. And units of is expressed with 个. Okay, 个. It's a measure word. It means like a unit. Okay, so 3 teachers is 3 units of teachers is 3个老师. 5 students, 5个学生. A cup, 一个杯子. Another measure word is 口. We already looked at 口 back in lesson 5 when we described how many people there were in our family. Right? There are 5 people in our family. 我家有5口人. Right? So 口 is serving the same grammatical function as 个, except for 口 is specific for describing how many people there are in a family. 口 literally means a mouth. When you ask how many people there are in your family, you're asking how many mouths you have to feed in your family. So, 你家几口人? 我家有5口人. How many people are there in teacher Li's family? 李老师家有几口人? To answer the question, there are 6 in teacher Li's family. 李老师家有6口人. Ken, 你家几口人?
我家4口人，我爸爸、我妈妈、我妹妹还有我。你家几口人？
我家2口人，我和我 roommate Craig. Cool. Now let's do a quick practice. How many cups do you have? How do you say that in Chinese? How many cups do you have? 你有几个杯子? Wonderful. How about how many people are there in your family? 你家有几口人? Perfect.
If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.